On beta study and some follow-up questions I had told you when we will finish the para we have to attempt these questions. So only a few lines were left in completing the paras in reference these questions which are belong to that. So how did the invisible man first becomes visible? A related para I have taught you. Okay. How did the invisible man first become visible? Any one of you can attempt right now, beta. You should try.
Yes, sir.
Beta.
Sir, by taking some rare drugs.
Okay. Uh, Pay attention here in question. How did the invisible man first become visible?
Uh, so,
Sir, sir,
Beta.
बताएं?
Hmm.
Sir, because he has wear the clothes, hats, and shoes.
Okay. Another student also. They should try.
so
By wearing the clothes.
Hmm. How did the invisible man first become visible? कैसे एक अदृश्य व्यक्ति दृश्य बन जाता है, बन गया. Okay, we have to give the reason.
yes, sir.
Hmm. So here, student,
So,
yes, beta, welcome.
so as in the paragraph, it is given that the season at that time is of winter season.
Hmm.
So the man, in order to keep himself warm,
Hmm.
uh,
Very
so
good,
he
beta.
used some garments to wear on his body to keep himself warm. And when he wore that garments, then he become visible.
Very good. Nice attempt. Nice. Okay. Another one, beta. I hope you all understood the sense what he was telling you. You know, when he slipped into a big London store for keeping warm and overslept there while wearing some clothes taken from the store. Then he could become visible. Now, next one here. Why was he wandering the streets? Why was he wandering the streets? What was the reason there? Very simple reason. Very simple reason.
So,
Beta.
may I tell, sir?
Yes, welcome.
So, according to the paragraph
Hmm.
that you had taught us,
Hmm.
so his landlord means the Griffin, the scientist. He was a brilliant scientist,
Hmm.
but his landlord disliked him.
Okay.
So, in revenge, he removed his cloth and become invisible. And
Hmm.
after becoming invisible, he also became homeless, and that was the reason why he was wandering on the street of London.
Good. His landlord disliked him and tried to get rid
To
of
eject him.
him और dropped him out. उसे बाहर निकाल दिया घर से. And in revenge, Griffin the scientist, an eccentric person, he set
Fired
a
the guy.
fire. He set a fire. आग लगा दिया घर में. So he is homeless and wandered in the streets. Good, nice attempt, beta. You have done well. Good. Now, student, so this follow-up question we had completed now. We should move further next here. For the page, we have to aim. You can see how uh, the person here invisible in the picture you can see here, and how they are chasing this scenery belong to our last moment of the story. So we will soon reach there. And we were here yesterday. Here we were here continue in this paragraph. He soon found a suitable shop. He made his way invisible upstairs and came out a little later wearing bandages around his forehead. Bandages means beta patti. Okay, bandages and his forehead, around his forehead, sorry, and dark glasses, false nose, sense of artificial nose. Mostly in drama company, the characters they use, and surely you have seen in the movie Fir Hera Fairy how when Parvesh Rawal, Akshay Kumar, and Sunil Shetty they all were trying to cheat to his anti-party, then they used the uniform that was related to drama, and false nose also you could see there in the movie. So here, student, glasses, false nose, big bushy, side whiskers. Whiskers means mustache, muche. Okay, all these were the appearance of Griffin, and a large hat also on his head. Then what he had to do to escape from there, बच निकलने के लिए उसको क्या करना था? To escape without being seen, he callously attacked the shopkeeper from behind. Callously means beta insensitive way, with cruelty, बेरहमी के साथ. He what he had done to escape himself, he attacked over the shopkeeper with cruelty, and from behind, from backside, from behind, he attacked over that shopkeeper. And what happened at last? After which he robbed him. Not only he attacked over him, he robbed him also of all the money he could find. Whatever money was available there in the shop, not only he hit him, he robbed him also, and then escaped from there. Okay, so some related question is here given, but when we will complete our another coming paras, then we would be able to solve it very easily. So right now we have to leave this point, and we will complete first our paras, then related follow-up question will be tried. So here student, now eager to get away. Eager means student curious. Okay, eager to get away from crowded London, he took a train to village of Epping. Once again I would like to repeat the line, eager to get away, बच निकलने के लिए, from crowded London, he took a train to the village of Epping. Now he had decided that he will leave the London and he would get settlement there in Epping city, Epping village, not city. When he booked 2 rooms at the local inn. What is inn, student? Inn mean a type of hotel. Gospel. In Hindi, sarai. You can say
Yes, sir.
dharmsala also. Okay. So he booked 2 rooms there in that inn in the village of Iping. Then the arrival of a stranger at inn in winter was any case an unusual event. It was unusual for the village people, not for only village people, even for the owner of the inn also. It was odd, strange. If someone is coming at night in the village, a stranger of such uncommon appearance, and this particular person, Griffin the scientist, he was in his somehow strange appearance, not in common appearance. Then what happened? Here, student, such uncommon appearance set all tongues wagging. All tongues wagging means, student, meaning of wagging is shrugging. SHRUGGING, shrugging, or vacillating also. VACILLTING, vacillating. It mean, but according to our lion's sense is the people, they all were whispering among themselves. They were discussing slightly. They were passing comment. Who is this? This odd one. And here, Mrs. Hall. Mrs. Hall, the landlord's wife, made every effort to be friendly. To whom she want to get friendship, student? Mrs. Hall, to whom she wants to get friendship?
So Griffin,
Griffin, eccentric
Griffin.
scientist. Good, very good, beta. But the Griffin had no desire. Griffin had no interest to get friendship with Mrs. Hall. Then what happened here? But Griffin
Yes,
had
sir.
no desire to take. Yes, beta.
So one question is there.
Yes, beta.
So the scientist Griffin,
Hmm.
so he was invisible. So how she able to saw him?
Beta. Right now here, he is in the visible form. He may be possible that he could wore something uniform, or it also might be possible that right now the effect of that particular medicine that is expired now, this is not
Yes,
fact. This chapter is not fact.
but
That is fiction. Fictitious.
if he wore the clothes,
Hmm.
then his face and his hand are not
Maybe.
able to visible.
Yes.
So it looks so strange.
Good. And that was the also reason that he was strange. And one more thing, that only his whatever uniform he had wore might be strange for the people of the village, for the lady of that inn. At that time, it might be possible that the effect of that particular medicine was over, and now he is in the like human being as we are common people. Only when he used to get that medicine, he may be visible, invisible. ओके, हो सकता है उस समय दवा का असर खत्म हो सकता है वो बिल्कुल कॉमन फॉर्म में आ गया हो, जैसे आम तौर पर हम लोग रहते हैं, सिर्फ उसका पहनावा ऑड रहा हो. ओके. एंड दिस chapter is overall only based on imagination. That is not any scientific here, any scientific reason or factual. Okay, beta. So
Yes, sir.
let's move now. But Griffin had no
Yes, sir.
desire to talk and told her. उससे कुछ भी बताने का जरा सा भी इच्छा ग्रिफिन को नहीं थी कि वो जवाब दे इस मालकिन का. Then what happened here? My reason for what he is telling the reason to the lady, Mrs. Hall. My reason for coming to Epping, name of Epping, that is the name of the village. Coming to Epping is desire for solitudes, only for silence, only
सर
for,
सामर्थ को ऐड कर लीजिए।
okay बेटा, only for moodness, अकेलेपन के लिए, शांति के लिए मैं इपिंग गांव में आया हूँ. Nothing any other reason. Okay, Samarth is waiting there. Once I am trying, but it may be problematic for me. These students they are late to get joined here. Just a minute, beta. Here, Sachin Upadhyay,
So
Anu Bishkarma, Samarth Jaiswal. Yes, beta. What are you saying?
nothing, sir. I'm just saying that Samarth has joined earlier, but I think he had disconnected a few times later.
Hmm. Okay. So I hope you all are getting the screen. So let's continue.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, beta. So let's continue here. Here it is given, student, as we were going on. But Griffin had no desire to talk. To whom? To Mrs. Hall. But Griffin had no desire to talk and told her, my reason for coming to Epping is a desire for solitude. मेरा इपिंग में आना सिर्फ यही इतना लक्ष्य है कि अकेले में रहना चाहता हूँ. I do not wish to be disturbed in my work, so that anyone may not disturb me. That's why I have come here in this village. Then, besides, student, difference between besides and beside. Besides, here besides is BESIDES, besides, and BESIDE, beside. Beside mean side by side, and besides means except, अतिरिक्त. Besides an
इसके
accident.
अलावा
हाँ बेटा बिल्कुल सही. Besides an accident has affected my face. Here is nothing strenuous in me, only that an accident had met me of my such a face. Cause of an accident, he told to that lady, owner of the inn. Then in the next paragraph, satisfied that her guest was an eccentric scientist. Eccentric. Eccentric mean student.
Strange.
Okay. Okay. Any other? Eccentric. Eccentric means होता है बेटा सनकी, झक्की, फ्रीक.
पागल.
हाँ, आप सेंस लगभग वही है. फ्रीक आप लिख सकते हो, FREE फ्रीक. ओके. विम्सिकल आप लिख सकते हो, VHIMSICAL विम्सिकल. बैटी, PATTY बैटी, झक्की, सनकी टाइप का व्यक्ति. Okay, so here that is eccentric. Now let's move for the next line. Here, satisfied that her guest was eccentric scientist. Who is satisfied? Mrs. Hall, owner of the inn. Now she is satisfied that he is eccentric one, not common person. And in view of the fact that he had paid her in advance, और जहाँ तक बात थी कि उनके व्यक्तिगत फायदे की, बिजनेस की, वो ऑलरेडी ही हैड पेड इन एडवांस. देन मिसेस हॉल वाज प्रिपेयर्ड to excuse the strange habits and irritable temper she was ready to cope with. वो सहमत हो गई. ओके, समथिंग ही इज नॉट कॉमन पर्सन, शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड पर्सन. इट डजेंट मैटर. यस बेटा.
सर इरिटेबल टेम्पर की मीनिंग क्या है?
शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड बेटा, जो जरा जरा सी बात पे चिढ़ जाए. इरिटेबल मीन्स चिढ़ने का सेंस है. शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड पर्सन जो थोड़ी सी
यस.
बात पर खींच जाए. ठीक है. सो शी accepted all these strangeness about his guest. Now let's focus in the next line here. But the stolen money, but the stolen money did not last long, and presently Griffin had to admit that he had no more ready cash. भाई चोरी का वो पैसा बहुत लंबे वक्त तक उसके साथ नहीं रह गया. Then he accepted that he had no money in cash. He pretended, however, that he was expecting a check to arrive at any moment. He pretended, उसने बहाना बनाया. What he made in his pretense that just sooner his check about to arrive. हमारा चेक आने वाला है. And soon I will pay everything. Okay, so however that he was expecting a check to arrive at any moment, and right now he had no money in cash, but that was his pretense, ये उसका बहाना था. Shortly afterwards a curious episode occurred. A curious episode, somehow mysterious it was. What was that? Very early in the morning a clergyman कौन होता है बेटा? Clergyman.
क्रिश्चियन प्राइस्ट।
हाँ, बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. Something like Pope, those who are responsible to worship in church. Okay, so very early in the morning, a clergyman, पादरी जिसका मतलब होता है, morning, a clergyman and his wife were awakened by in the noises in the study. क्रीपिंग डाउन स्टेयर्स, धीरे धीरे वो सीढ़ी से नीचे की तरफ उतरने लगते हैं, आहिस्ते आहिस्ते. They heard the chink of money. Chink mean metallic. Yes beta, good sound produced by any metal, that is chink here. So when they heard slightly the chink of the money being taken from the clergyman's desk, उन्हें ये पता चला आहिस्ते से कि क्लर्जीमैन के डेस्क से कुछ कोई पैसे निकाल रहा हो, उसके खनखन की आवाज आई. Then without making any noise and with a poker grasp, what is poker here? A rod, a metallic rod,
मेटल।
metal rod. Good. Without making any noise, he poker grasped. Grasp means to hold firmly, मजबूती के साथ पकड़ करके रखना. So poker grasped firmly in his hand. The clergyman flung open the door. बड़ी फुर्ती के साथ उसने दरवाजा खोल दिया. And said, surrender. समर्पित कर दो अपने आप को. Surrender. Who is saying? Clergyman. Okay. Then to his amazement he realized that the room appeared to be empty. तब उसे एहसास हुआ कि भाई घर में तो कोई है नहीं, रूम बिल्कुल खाली है. Then what happened? Let's go here in the next page, student. Now, then to the amazement he realized that the room appeared to be empty. He and his wife looked under the desk and behind the curtains. पर्दे के पीछे, डेस्क के नीचे, हर जगह वो झांकते हैं, ढूंढते हैं. And even up the chimney through which smoke come out, that is chimney. They tried to find out there also, but there was not a sign. There wasn't a sign of anybody. Yet the desk had been opened. Desk तो खुला हुआ था, but none was there, and the housekeeping money was missing. Even the money which was preserved there in the desk for housekeeping, that was also stolen. Nothing was there in the desk. एक भी पैसे नहीं बचे थे. Extraordinary affairs. Who is saying? The clergyman kept saying for the rest of the day. पूरे दिन वो एक ही बात रटता रहा वो clergyman. Extraordinary affair. Extraordinary mean that act was not simple, not common, असाधारण. What happened in my home, in my room, that was not common thing, not common event, extraordinary affair that was. But it was not as extraordinary as the behavior of Mrs. Hall's furniture a little later than morning. That morning, in the same morning, who is here? Okay, let's focus here now. Let's focus here, beta. Someone was trying. Okay, so extraordinary affair, the clergyman kept saying for the rest of the day. But it was not extraordinary as the behavior of Mrs. Hall's furniture a little later that morning. उसी दिन सुबह थोड़ी देर बाद जब एक और घटना घटती है, उतना एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी ये एक्टिविटी नहीं थी, ये इवेंट नहीं था जितना क्लर्जीमैन के रूम में हुआ. That was more extraordinary, which was held with Mrs. Hall's furniture a little later that morning. Student, please don't draw any zigzag line. Okay, you need not to draw any zigzag line here. Now let's focus, student. The landlord and his wife were up very early on that particular day. Landlord and his wife, they were up very early, बिल्कुल सुबह में जग गए, and were surprised. Why they were surprised? To see the scientist door wide open. उस साइंटिस्ट का दरवाजा बिल्कुल खुला हुआ देख करके वो सभी सरप्राइज हुए, बिकॉज इट वॉज नॉट कॉमन. मोस्टली इट वॉज क्लोज्ड, बट राइट नाउ इट्स ओपन नाउ. यूजुअली इट वॉज शट, अक्सर ये बंद रहा करता था, एंड लॉक्ड. देन and he was furious of anyone entered his room. और वो furious means बेटा angry. Usually he became angry if someone is enter in his room. कोई भी उसके कमरे में अगर प्रवेश कर जाता है तो वो तुरंत नाराज हो जाता था. But here now, student, furious mean
Angry.
good. And one word had come here beta, peep. Peep mean झांकना, snook. Okay, so now let's focus here in the line. The landlord and his wife were up very early and were surprised to see the scientist's door wide open. Usually it was shut and locked, and he was furious if anyone entered his room. कभी भी बेटा entered के बाद हम in नहीं यूज करते हैं या into प्रीपोजिशन नहीं लगाते हैं, रॉन्ग हो जाता है. हम ये नहीं कह सकते entered into his room, रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. ठीक, anyone entered his room. The opportunity seemed too good to be missed. यहाँ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन यूज हुआ है बेटा, नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट है ये. आप देखें कैसे इसका सेंस होगा. द अपॉर्चुनिटी सीम्ड टू सेंस मीन्स वेरी. ओके, वेरी और so good, and second two means that cannot be. Okay, that cannot be. Then if we are explaining this line, it will be the opportunity seemed too good to be missed. इस अवसर को खोया नहीं जा सकता था. भाई दरवाजा खुला हुआ है, कोई है भी नहीं. अकॉर्डिंग टू landlord and his wife. Who is here drawing? I mean your habit, otherwise you will be removed. Okay, so seem too good to be missed इस अवसर. यस बेटा.
सर अंश को ज्वाइन कर लीजिए.
ओहो, अंश छूट गया. ओके ओके, आई एम ट्राइंग. ठीक है बेटा, मैं देखता हूँ. मे बी नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम की वजह से बच्चे बाहर रह जाते हैं. So Ansh is admitted right now. So let's focus. Just a minute. Are you getting the screen, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Okay,
now let's focus here. So from here we have to continue that I was telling you here is transformation is used. Grammar transformation. I was telling you this two may be removed by so or very, and second two may be removed by that cannot be. Okay, because the door was widely opened for the landlords and landlord's wife. Somehow this was the matter of surprise because most probably the door of that eccentric scientist was closed, and this time in the early morning that is widely open, and they peeped round the door once again. The opportunity seemed too good to be missed. इस अवसर को वो मिस नहीं करना चाहते थे. दरवाजा खुला है, साइंटिस्ट भी नहीं है. They wanted to find out what is there in the room. That's why here it is given the opportunity seemed too good. The opportunity is so good that cannot be missed. Okay, they peeped around. Peeped means झांकना.
Jha-
Snook, SNOOK, snook. Keek, you can write KEEK, keek. Or easy word, look up. Okay, look up. So here in the line, student, they peeped. They mean landlord and his wife peeped around the door. Then they were trying to find out if someone is here and there by the side of the road. Sorry, door. Then saw nobody. They found out that no one was there. Then what happened? And decided to investigate. Investigate means student छानबीन करना. Investigate. So investigate.
Chanbin.
You can write inquire, calibrate. Okay, calibrate. 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 So they were calibrating whether is here someone or not and what's here in the room and why the door is widely open. They were curious about to find out the fact. Then what happened here, student? Here it is given that and decided to investigate. The bed cloths were cold. बेड पर बिछी हुई जो शीट थी या हम कह सकते हैं जो भी कुछ बिछौने के तौर पर था वो ठंडा हो चुका था. देन व्हाट इज सेंस हियर? इट मीन नो वन वाज लाइंग डाउन हियर ऑन द बेड रिसेंटली. द बेड cloths were cold, showing that the scientist must have been up for some time. कि साइंटिस्ट थोड़ा लंबे समय से यहाँ से उठकर जा चुका है क्योंकि बिस्तर ठंडा पड़ा था. एंड स्ट्रेंजर स्टिल the cloths and bandages that he always wore were lying about the room. और वो विचित्र व्यक्ति जो इस स्ट्रेंज बैंडेजेस को और ये सारे कपड़ों को पहना करता था वो सब कुछ वहीं छोड़ दिया था. all of sudden means all at once. तुरंत, तत्काल, त्वरित. Okay, all of sudden, akasmat. Next day student we will continue. Thank you.